I'm at the point where I'm really just fat, sick, and fed up. I'm not sick physically, but I'm sick of this. I know that.
My heart's in the sky, supernova.
What is up, Nova Nation? My name is Vana SUPERNOVA. You can call me V. For those of you who are new here, hi, welcome to my channel. I deal with everything wellness, productivity, and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, you'll want to stay tuned. So I just wanted to randomly pick up the camera and just, I don't know, just talk with you all. A lot of people don't get to see my vulnerable side. So I was like, let's have a chit chat, okay? So I kind of want to talk about exactly what the heck has been going on and why the heck am I like falling off, like what is really going on. So I mean, I'm just at the point right now where I'm just like literally just kind of like fed up with this whole like weight loss thing and this whole like gaining and losing and all this crap and stuff like that. It's like I do everything that I can for the most part, and a lot of times I don't see the results. Okay, how I feel is a lot of times I kind of give my all to something, and then it's like when I don't see the results that I'm looking for, I kind of get discouraged, and it doesn't make me quit, but I do get discouraged. And I kind of feel like that's what's going on right now. So right now it's just like a moment of discouragement where it's just like I've reached a point where it's kind of like, okay, well, what do I do now? So as many of you know, I'm eating keto. I'm not on the keto diet. I'm not on the keto fad. I'm not on any, you know what I'm saying? I'm eating keto. Like right now, I just finished some Enlightened ice cream. That's what I kind of eat when I have a sweet tooth. I also eat those low carb bars and stuff like that when I have a sweet tooth. I eat berries when I have a sweet tooth. So I have my little snacks and goodies. So that's what I was just snacking on, my little Enlightened ice cream, okay? So, and I was thinking like, I've been on this journey, this weight loss journey for a long time, and I feel like I'm never gonna be like complete with the journey. And it's not something that I want to complete per se. I have, you know, friends who are much older than me who are, you know, like weight training and doing all this excellent stuff with their lives health wise. And me being in the health profession, I know exactly how important health can be. Well, I know how important health is for the body, maintaining a proper diet, maintaining a proper workout regimen, whether it's walking 45 minutes a day or working out 3 times a week, whatever the case may be. So I know that this journey isn't something that's just like, you know, temporary. It's something that's long term. I know this is a marathon. This is what I signed up for. This is all what we all signed up for. If we all want to live healthy lives, we have to eat right and do well with our bodies. But at times it could be like overwhelming, because it's like when you have goals, you really want to make your goals and you want to meet your goals. I'm somebody who's very like, I want to say I'm very goal oriented. It's like when I want something, I really want it. So it's like I want to lose weight so bad. Like now that life slowed down, I know I have the time to dedicate to it, because I mean I can't beat myself up too much. I really just didn't have the time to dedicate to a purpose-driven regimen. It's like I really was splitting myself like 6 different ways. I was doing the house thing, I was doing the work thing, I was doing the side hustle thing. You get what I'm saying? So it's kind of like I was doing the YouTube thing. I was doing just too much, you know what I'm saying? So now life is a little bit more streamlined. I'm able to do what I want and still make it part of my life. For example, right now, it didn't take me anything to just pick up this camera and record it. So I mean, like, it's not like I'm going out of my way to do this YouTube video. It's really something that's kind of mainstream with what I was gonna be doing anyway. I needed to vent. So whether I was talking to my friends on the YT or if I was talking to my friends on the phone, it was gonna happen regardless. So I found ways to streamline my life, which makes things a lot more easier. But what I'm saying is, when life was busy, it was hard for me to kind of do the weight loss thing, because like I said, I was really giving too much of myself to different things. But now that life has slowed down, it's kind of like now I have more time to dedicate myself wholeheartedly to my journey. And I really want you guys to join me, like really, because I need accountability partners. You can never have too many. Like I have my brother, I have my boyfriend. They always have words of encouragement, or sometimes their words of encouragement could be like a joke, an unnecessary joke. A joke ain't ain't nobody asked for it. Yes, JP, this is for you. Yes, Magnum, I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm putting y'all out there. But in any case, it's something that's needed, you feel me? And I feel like the more accountability I have, the better. So I want to really make sure I capture every moment of this journey. I really want to make sure when I go out for walks, I'm bringing the camera along. When I'm going to the gym, I'm bringing the camera along. When I'm feeling down, for example, right now, I'm bringing the camera along because I really want to document this journey. And I really want, what is today? I really want today to be my official start day, the official start day of me on my journey, like taking it, like putting my whole heart into it, 100% into it, starting today. It is 11:33, Thursday, July 25th, and yeah, starting today, I'm going to be wholeheartedly going full force head on with this weight loss journey. I don't know about the weigh-ins because that thing, boy, is more discouraging than anything, I feel like. But it's just like, yeah, I think I need to try to do weekly weigh-ins. I'm gonna try. I don't know if they're gonna be weekly or monthly, but I need to monitor it. I need to be measuring myself. I need to be going and doing something physical at least 5 times a week, whether it's walking Monday through Friday or going to the gym, you know what I'm saying, like 3 times a week, and then walking other 2 days. Like, I need to be doing something with my body. I need to be putting nothing but the best into my body, because before, when I was college, the excuse was kind of like, yeah, I don't have money. And then, you know, I leave college and I'm like, oh, I have to study for my board exam, and then I pass my board exam, and the excuse is like, oh, well, you know, I'm working all the time with this new job. And then the excuse after that is, oh, I'm buying a house and I'm busy, just like that. So now it's kind of like, what the heck is the excuse? Why not now? Why not start today? Like, there's no better day than today to start your journey. I'm at the point where I'm really just fat, sick, and fed up. I'm not sick physically, but I'm sick of this shit. I know that. I'm sick of this shit. So I really feel like a lot of this, I mean, you ever wonder, like, if you were where your goal is, would you still feel the same way? Like, I'd be thinking, like, if I was at my goal weight, would I still be venting and doing all this crap? What would be the problem then? What would be my goal then once I reach my goal? You get what I'm saying? I could only just imagine what it would be like. I have goals that I want to achieve. My ultimate weight loss goal, I guess I should say, I want to be back to 160. I like that weight. That weight, a lot of my family felt like that weight was too small on me, but who the hell cares? This is not their journey. This is not, you know, this is your journey. Nobody's gonna understand your goals but you, okay? If you have a goal, achieve it. I was at 160. People were telling me I was way too small. First of all, it's not your duty to tell people when they're too big or too small, okay? Like, it's just not your job to do that. They have doctors for that who can let them know this, that, and the third. You get what I'm saying? If you would like to help guide your friend, if you would like to help, like, I just don't believe in, like, blank criticism. Make your criticisms constructive in some way, shape, or form. How could you be of service? You feel me? Like, don't just tell people, oh, you're too small. Like, when I was 160, I would always hear that, oh, you're too small, you're too this, you're too that. 160 is my current goal. I really want to be at 160. My goal before the end of the year is to honestly just be below 200. That's all I care about, to get into Wonderland and get the hell out of these 200s and call it a day. I don't feel like I'm asking for much. I don't feel like I'm asking for much. As of right now, I think that would be about 30 pounds to lose before the end of the year. I feel like it's feasible. Being that there's about 5 months left in the year, that would be about 6 pounds a month. I feel like that's very feasible. You feel me? And if I hit that double time and hit like 12 pounds a month, if I double my goal, I end up being around my overall goal weight. So if I hit about 12 pounds a month by the end of the year, you get what I'm saying? It's pretty much a done deal. You know what I'm saying? I'm done. 2020 is mine. All this is possible. I feel like it's all possible. Will it happen? We'll see. I mean, if it doesn't happen, I'll be fine. If I only get to half of what my ultimate goal is, that's still my goal. You know what I'm saying? If I get to 200 instead of 160 before the end of the year, that was already my goal anyway. If I get to 160 before the end of the year, hell, I'll be happy with that too. I'll be happy with whatever life gives me at this point. I just know that I can't stay where I'm at. I can't. So be prepared for the influx of weight loss videos because they are coming. I really need to, we're pushing this thing into high gear pretty much. And I need my tribe with me, so I would appreciate it if you guys would support me. So that's pretty much it. I kind of just wanted to come on here and let you guys know what was up, what's the real deal, because you know, I can't hold water when it comes to how I feel. I mean, I just have to let it be known. This is how I feel. I thank you guys for joining me today. I thank you guys for joining me in this video. For real, like the support is beyond amazing. I'm beyond blessed to have the people that I have on my channel. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Especially like, so I know to make more videos just like this one. And stay tuned for the next video so you won't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.